Live, just high tide line in Patto.
Let's fish in front of the central library.
Catfish. They'll be here in this only. Catfish. Just stand like this.
Somebody's got a fishing rod.
Come from this side, ma'am. Yeah, okay. Okay, go from there. High tide.
Today is exceptionally high tide because of new moon. So it would be really useful if people close to rivers and oceans went and took short videos, took photographs of where the waters reach. Geotagging it would be super useful. Please DM me directly or WhatsApp or whatever. Just send me photos and short videos of beaches, rivers, any place. Just now the high tide was at 12:54 p.m. We could use this sort of documentation. Climate change is real. We have to be proactive. We cannot leave the government in charge of something that they are not interested in. They might have capabilities, but they have no interest. So please document whichever water body you are close to, river, ocean, anything. Please take photographs and geotag them. Send videos to show the water line today. Today is an important day, 3rd of August 2019. New moon, high tide 12:54 p.m. That's nearly 1 p.m. today. Thanks.